guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. It's our fifth tutorial on our channel. So basically on today's video we will teach you how to use best features of CapCut application. So basically CapCut is a video editing software. So now in today's video we will teach you how you can use CapCut and its best features and associate your CapCut with TikTok. Means TikTok and CapCut are how to combine TikTok and CapCut for editing purpose. So before starting the video, it's my request to make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon to stay in touch with us, because here in our channel you can see many interesting tutorials. So now let's start the video. So first of all, you simply need to open the Play Store. On Play Store you can see CapCut video editor. I already installed this application because I am using this personally, and you simply need to install this software. This software has 4 million reviews and 4.4 star rating, and 100 million plus downloads. So from his popularity you can guess the best features of this. So you simply need to open the CapCut. You can see my many projects here because I am using this software personally, and for your information, I simply need to drag my one photo in CapCut. So now you can see we can also animate our photo like this, and also add a good style to our photo. Now style has been added to our photo. Why style is not added? 1 second. It's taking some time. Now you can see the style has been added. Wow, it's great. And we also add audio. You can see I have attached my TikTok with this. These are the sounds of TikTok original sounds. You can also associate your TikTok account, means attach your TikTok account with your CapCut account for editing purposes. And in editing portion you can see split, style, delete, cutout, edit, every kind of options. And on text you can also add every kind of stylish text effects in every language. TikTok is best for this, that's why I am using this personally. You can write here in Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Russians, English. In every language you can add your text here. And you can also add auto captions in your videos, text templates, auto lyrics, and one thing more, that you can also add auto generated voice through CapCut. So its effects are also very good. That's why I am using this software personally. These are the effects of CapCut. So that's why I am suggesting you this software for video editing, for personal video editing, for your photos, your videos, TikTok videos. This is the best ever software with more than 1 million downloads. So that's why it's my request to download this application. And I hope this tutorial will also help, also interesting for you. So if you like the video, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and also give a big thumb to our video. So thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.